Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So friend, today we will talk about the tiles flooring. A tile is a thin object, usually square or rectangular in shape. Tile is a manufactured piece of hard-wearing materials such as ceramic, stone, metal, baked clay, or even glass, generally used for covering roof, floor, walls, or other objects such as tabletops. See, the raw material which are used in making of the tiles are sand, white clay, calcite, dolomite, talc. So these are the raw material which are used in manufacturing of the tiles. See, now we'll talk about the origin of the tiles. Historically, man has desired to create living spaces which were beautiful, durable, and user-friendly. With that in mind, ceramic tiles has been made by a man for 4,000 years. Beautiful tile surfaces have been found in the oldest pyramid, the ruins of Babylon, and the ancient ruins of the Greek cities. Decorative tiles work has invented in the Near East, where it has enjoyed a long popularity and assumed a greater variety of design than anywhere in the world. See, during the Islamic period, all methods of tile decoration were brought to perfection in Persia. Now we'll talk about the advantage. First is durability. Tile is perfect for placement in high traffic area. It does not have a strong impact resistance, though if you drop a heavy object on tiles, it is likely to crack as anything else. Low maintenance. Because it is so durable, tile does not need much in the way of upkeep. They will need to be cleaned just like any other surface in your home that gets dirty. You will want to apply a sealant on your tile about once every 4-5 years. Aside from that, you don't have too much to worry about then when it comes to keeping your tiles in good shape. And third part is cost effective. See, tiles are very cost effective. They are one of the cheapest flooring surface available. When you factor the initial cost of purchasing the tiles and installing them with their lack of costly maintenance, it becomes clear that tiles are worth every penny area. Of course, this also depends on the type of the tiles you use. There are more expensive high-end tiles on the market also available. And the next is water resistant. Tiles have a glazed protective layer on their surface that make them impervious to water damage and stain penetration. This is why tiles is so often used to floor bathroom. They are naturally resistant to humidity, making them ideal for flooring an area that is very hot or moist. And the last is most important, that is eco-friendly. Tile is usually made up of raw material like glass, sand, and clay. These materials often get combined with other recycled material to form ceramic tiles. They can also literally affect your personal environment, like they can reduce your heating bills by keeping your house cool in the summer and warm in the winter by serving as a form of insulation. See, it also increase your resale value of your property. Installing tile in your home can also prove to be profitable in the long run if you are going to put your house on the market. There have been many cases where adding a tile floor to a house tremendously increased its resale value. An attractive tile floor could possibly add thousands of dollars to your home's value. See, as we know that these are used in residential flooring, offices, hospital, school, and other public buildings. Over the concrete base, a 25 to 30 mm thick layer of lime mortar, that is ratio of 1:3, is spread to serve as a bedding. Before laying the tiles, it is curing for 12 to 24 hours. Now we will see for some disadvantage of tile flooring. That is very costly, both in initial cost as well as in maintenance, and very slippery also when it become wet. So friend, today we have talked about tiles flooring, how it was manufactured, and what is the origin of tiles, and what are the advantage of the tiles and disadvantage also. So friends, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.